Good morning and happy Vlogmas day 3. I almost did 2. My hair makes me look very pale. Also, I can't believe I forgot to show you guys. On Vlogmas day 1, I was supposed to show you guys this. This is where I keep all my video ideas and stuff like that. And in one of the pages, I wrote all of my ideas for Vlogmas. Well, like my, kind of like my, what do you call it? My Christmas checklist? Oh, no, my Christmas bucket list. So all the things I want to do for December is to call old relatives and friends, volunteer, donate money to a charity or a food charity or a toy charity, make a imperfect gingerbread house or do a Christmas baking kind of thing, shop and have gifts early this year, which I did half of that, go to Christmas market, skate, make a stranger's day, buy a cake for Jesus and eat it all because it's his birthday, kiss under the mistletoe. Woo! Kiss under the mistletoe and sit on Santa's lap, and then pick the ugliest Christmas tree and remind that it's beautiful because all damn trees are beautiful and ornaments are like makeup for trees. So yeah, this is my bucket list and this is what I want to do for December. And I'll try to be checking off the like almost every day. There's 12 of them and there's 24 days, 25 days until Christmas. I think I could do it. Can I? I don't know. It's like one every 2 days. Sheldon says hi as always. Here's my outfit. This is Sotamilitia. It's what it is on Instagram. I have just this red flannel from the thrift store and Lululemon and yeah. I am so happy right now. I think these are my favorite nails that I've ever. Look at them. They're just like sleigh bells ring. Oh my gosh, my mom just got a Mac and it's beautiful, but it's opening tomorrow. Are you guys even surprised right now? This is the taro sorbet with the tapioca. So yeah, at Real Fruit, just, you know, if you need someone to sponsor you, I'm the girl to do it because I do it anyways for free. Help, I was so excited about getting my nails done that I forgot my coat at the nail salon, so I had to pick it up. Open sesame. I'm like scared. When you get your nails done, are you ever like scared to touch things? I literally stopped driving just to take a video of this rainbow and how pretty it is. How pretty is that rainbow? It's so beautiful. Mommy, where are we going?
Doctor.
The dentist.
Show and then you.
There's a tooth.
How are you?
Little tooth.
You look tired. Missy mom. And
Oh, apparently it's a handbag holder.
yeah.
Yeah.
Look at her. You guys don't have the photos anymore. I think I have it. I used to try.
I'm not allowed to eat for half an hour and I'm starving.
Got my teeth done. Now they're clean.
Got a goodie bag. Did you just say you're gonna eat my real fruit now that I know?
No.
I thought you said that.
No, I'm taking it so you won't drink it. You can't eat or drink for.
I hate the smell of gas. Adelaine just got verified! Woo! And I don't know if I should upload my video tonight, late, or tomorrow at 3 o'clock. I don't know. Oh, 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 oh. It's stuck in my head and I can't stop. I'm exporting my video and it's supposed to go up today, but I think I'm just gonna put it up tomorrow because it's 8. Oh? Are you okay? Okay. Emily's house is so Christmassy and I love it.
See my room.
Aww. And we're having creamsicle ice cream. Hallelujah. We're watching Christmas in the Cranks. Oh, can you see Benji? Guys, can you see Emily's cat right now? True. What? What are you doing up there? Why is your leg like that?
Wait.
My heatless hairstyles video is uploading right now and I'll probably give you guys the unlisted link on Twitter when it uploads. That way you can see it because I said I was going to upload tonight but I didn't because it's really late and I don't want to publish it. But I'll just send you guys the unlisted link so everyone on Twitter will be able to see it. It's the advantage of following me on Twitter, you know. Get the sneak peeks of the video. See it like a day in advance. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the vlog right now. We literally turned on the lights just so I could have good lighting. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog even though it was kind of short. Also make sure to pray for Cassandra because what did she do? She pulled
like in like the, oh my gosh, lumbar area on like her back, like here, like there, and it really hurts. It hurts to stand, so hashtag pray for Cassandra.
Yeah, pray for Cassandra because yeah, she's our friend. Samantha says pray for Cassandra. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I said that twice. Have a beautiful, magical, wonderful day. Yeah. Bye. We also agreed to pay for Cassandra because of her hair in our 30 hairstyles video. 20 hairstyles video. I'll send you guys the unlisted link on Twitter soon, within like an hour or so.
My dog's trying to kiss me. Oh,
Kidding me? That's boring. Stop it.
I'm sorry.
Stop it.
Bye, Benji.
That's it. Oh, okay. Bye. Me in every relationship possible. So, I hope that you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you guys have a beautiful, magical, wonderful day. Also, make sure to subscribe if you're not already and give it a thumbs up. And check out Instagram, Twitter, my main channel. It was nice meeting you. Okay, bye.